Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders. Alright, the title of this video is Big Dog Day Trading Tips for Wednesday, 26th of November 2014. As you can see here, 26th of November 2014. The time in London is 28 minutes past 2 p.m. In New York, 28 minutes past 9 a.m. In exactly 2 minutes time, New York will be open. All right. Yesterday, we sold Nike stock, Epic November Kilo Eco. Okay, Nike listed in America. It's American stock. All right. And we sold it right here at 9793 and took our profit somewhere here. Okay, not bad. It was a bit stubborn because this is a bullish cow, and it was dragging on for too long, and finally I decided to come out here. But after I came out, you can see that the price continued to go down. And I recorded a video yesterday that I called Big Dog Day Trading Tips, November 25th, 2014. Check it out at the Joel Trio YouTube channel. Joel Trio YouTube channel. So today, my expectation, the market will open in 1 minute. We are expecting this stock to gap up because of this volume bar here. So I will leave this on until the market is open, and we will see. You see, nothing is here now at the moment. So as you can see, the time is now 29 minutes past 9 a.m. in New York. In New York, in London, 29 minutes past 2 p.m. You see this volume bar here. This is a high frequency traders activity. I believe this stock, in my view, will gap up when the market is open. If it gaps up, okay, we will, okay, I think it's up now. Yeah, a little bit, just a little bit. Look at that, just a little bit here. That's it. Gap a little bit up. You see, that's the first candle today. Just a little bit because of this volume bar here, and it rushed quickly. You see, from the level of this level here, watch it, the level of 97 to 8. You see, now it's at 9750. All right, very fast. So these are high frequency traders coming into the market 1 minute before the market is closed. They will place a trade, and the volume bar will betray the activity. So as we are expecting it to gap up, it didn't gap up very much, but as you can see, it gap up a little bit. Okay, my strategy is very simple. I will be giving priority to sell signal as long as the Nike stock stays below the level of $100. Okay, that's what I'm doing yesterday. So I'll continue to look for opportunity to sell. So what are we looking for? If you want to sell, we want the price to rally a little bit. So you want to sell high. Do not sell it when it's going down, okay? When it will allow you to go down fast and to go back up a little bit, okay? So now I'm on a 5-minute chart. The market is open now, okay? I'm a little bit disciplined trader, all right? So I will not enter the trade now. As I told the TSTW 24 traders, whenever any market is open, either London is open, New York is open, Tokyo is open, forget about Hong Kong. When Hong Kong is open, forget about Tokyo, all right? Forget about Tokyo. Tokyo will open first before, okay, Hong Kong. But wait until Hong Kong is open. So when London is open, New York is open, and Hong Kong is open, all right, wait until the first 30-minute candle is closed. So though I want to sell, looking for opportunity to sell, giving priority to sell signal, I'm not going to rush into it. Why? Because the first 30 minutes, there are orders that need to be filled. The brokers will receive orders to fill orders for their clients. Also, some traders will take profits, all right? Some will close some trade if it was a losing trade to cast their loss. These are not a real trading activity. So you don't want to make decision when this is taking place. So if you are so eager to enter the trade, please, okay, download some Android games, all right? I have some basketballs, Android game that I play, and also there's another one I play also. Okay, I'll tell you later on, and you can download it and just keep playing it until okay it's 10 a.m. Eastern time. All right, so I will not enter the trade now. I'll wait until it's 10 a.m. Eastern time before I will check whether there is an opportunity to sell or not. Sometimes you will spend the whole day just waiting for the best setup, which means price coming to the edge at a low risk entry point when you want to buy or sell. As a day trader, you are like a pilot, okay? It's like landing, okay, and taking off. You need to do all the all the verification carefully and then get it right, okay? And hopefully you'll get paid quickly. Yesterday was a bit too long when I entered the trade at 9793. It took a bit too long, and finally I came out because I didn't like to stay too long in the market. But as I came out, you see, it continued to go down more, you see. I leave some money on the table. So what I'm going to do now, I will pause the video because you see now there's a gap around fast to 50. These high frequency traders took their profits. So these are last minute trading plays. So you see that they do that all the time. They will take profit by all means, okay? All right, they will take their profits, okay? These are gamblers, big time, sophisticated gamblers, but okay, they are allowed to do what they are doing, okay? So what I will do now, I'll pause the video, okay, because I don't want this video to be more than 20 minutes. This series of video that we are calling Big Dog Day Trading Tips. What I'm trying to do is to trade live, okay, and show traders, okay, the challenge that we face when we are day trading. What are we looking at? What are we paying attention to? Okay, what are we trying to avoid? Okay, as you can see, I don't want to enter the trade before 10 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, so trader can see it. Okay, maybe they will learn something from it. Okay, to improve their own day trading, or they may see some mistakes that I'm making, and they will try to avoid those mistakes. So I'll pause the video for the first time, and I will see you when it's exactly, okay, 10 a.m. After 10 a.m., I'll come back and see whether there's something there for me to take today. Okay, so pausing the video for the first time, and I will speak to you soon. But before I go, I'll move my vertical line, the turquoise line, to the point where I'm pausing the video, and I'll also show you the time now in London. It's 35 minutes past 2 p.m. In New York, 35 minutes past 9 a.m. on the 26th of November, 2014. Speak to you soon. Okay, traders, let's continue. The time in London now is 2 minutes past 3 p.m. In New York, 2 minutes past 10 a.m. All right, as you can see now, some traders were trying to sell because of the trend line here on the 5-minute chart. If I draw it like this, okay, you see some trader there was a primary profit taking. This is high frequency traders that bought it at the closing bell yesterday, and the price went to the zone of 9755, and they took their profit. Price went back down all the way here, and they rebought it. But as the price was coming near this trend line here on the 5-minute chart, traders start buying, selling it here. That's not a very good strategy, because why? The price was going down for a long time, and it just opened now, retesting the trend line. That's not a good time to sell it, because the market will try to adjust itself a little bit. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to use a Fibonacci retracement tool. I don't want to draw it from the top here. I'll draw it from here and to the, okay, the closing time. And my plan is to allow it to come at least to my previous entry point, which is now at 61.8% of the move from here. Let me show you. Okay, of the move from here, okay, to this point here. Discount this tail here. So I'm looking for the price to go back up into this zone where I sold it yesterday. And if I receive a sell signal here, I will look for opportunity to sell again. All right. So why? Because as you look carefully on this chart, the price gap up here and then consolidate. That's why I sold it near this low here, as the price was coming to go back below this support level. So it would be nice if the price return back. So my expectation is that it come back to this session and give us a clear-cut sell signal here, showing some weaknesses. I will be paying attention to the volume bar also and see whether there will be an opportunity for me to sell here. This will give me a low-risk entry point, and I will be placing my stop loss using again a 40 pip stop loss. All right. So far, I will just need to wait until the setup is completed. If there is no setup for me, okay, there's nothing I can do if the market is bullish. But if it's bullish, I will not buy it because I want to give priority to sell signal below, the level of $100. But the market may continue to go up. But as soon as I see a sell signal, that I'm happy with on the edge at a low risk entry point, I will take it. I will pause the video again for the second time, and we will come back to it, and I will show you, what is happening here. We can use, as I explained to you before, we can also use what we call the market geometry. All right, projecting this channel that I draw here roughly, I'll color it into red. We can use that strategy also to determine, where is the low risk entry point, the best place that we can look for opportunity, to sell this stock, all right. So if I project this channel many times, something like that, all right, and then if we come out again, project it again somewhere here. Are you with me? The channel projection allow trader to determine hotspot trading zone. It's a powerful tool that the professional traders are using, and I encourage traders to do exactly the same thing. So I'll project it again here. All right, so my expectation is to sell on the edge of this trend line here, which I'm going to color now. I'll color into pink so you can remember that. That will be the best place for me to look for opportunity to sell on the edge of the channel projection, and also on the edge of the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement zone. It makes sense? It is also powerful. So pausing the video for the second time, and we will come back to it very soon. Traders are just waiting for the price to come near the best place where we can look for opportunity to sell. As you can see, it's coming up slowly. And as I told you, we want it to come near the level of 9793, which is the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level of the move from here down to this level here. So we are just waiting now. Now if we hit this level, we'll monitor the candlestick bar around this region, looking for weaknesses. So I'll pause the video again and come back to it as soon as we have a beautiful trade setup. So speak to you soon. Traders, just to show you what's happening here, as you can see, the stock is going up slowly and coming closer to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. You see that some traders are trying to sell it around the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, this level here, all right? But I will be a little bit patient, allow it to come here. The reason is that very often some traders will prefer to sell at 78.6%, all right? But if I sell it at the same level like I did yesterday, I will place again my stop loss exactly 40 pip above my entry point, which worked beautifully for me yesterday. That's why I'm waiting for it to sell it exactly at the same place. If you look at the chart here, it gap up and try to consolidate, find a support here, but it break below it. And this is the support that we need to pay attention to, So Now it dipped below that support level again, and it returning back to retest it here on the edge. So I will be very patient until we retest this zone, and then I will look for opportunity to sell it. So I will pause the video again, and I will come back to it and see whether we have a valid trade setup. So speak to you soon. Okay, traders, it looks like I have missed the boat here, just doing something else. And it came very close to the 9793, but I was busy doing something else. And you can see now that it's rolling it down. It happens. What I would say is that if we come back a little bit, I will enter it. But right now, it looks like I have missed this trade because I was busy doing something because I wanted to come into this session. And by the time I check the screen again, because I did not put a limit, I don't want to put a limit order to sell straight away here. I want to monitor the reaction of the price right here. But as I was busy doing something else, okay, they start selling it down. But I will wait. Okay, let's see how I'll be talking now. I will wait a bit more, and hopefully it will come back to this region again. And maybe it will display a double top. That would be beautiful. And then I will look for the opportunity to sell it. I'll pause the video again. Sometimes you do that, you have to wait. And as you can see here, I missed this one. Even if I was here, I don't think I will sell it straight away because it just came like this. And then start holding it down at around the 50%. My expectation is that it goes a little bit, okay, into the level of a 9793. And I can sell it there, okay? So I will wait more. Hopefully it will come up. Otherwise, okay, you see it. Sometimes you have to sit down, wait for the setup, okay, and then enter the trade at the right place. We'll see what they're going to do because the high frequency traders, as soon as they see something that looks like a double bottom pattern, they'll try to push it up again. And we will see, okay? So pausing the video again, and I will come back to it very shortly. Before I pause the video, I'll move my vertical line to the point where I'm stopping, and hopefully, they will bring it back to the edge somewhere here. Okay, traders, has been a bit of time waiting for entry point. I miss this entry here because I was not looking at the screen. I was busy doing something else. Now, as you can see, this is the high frequency traders. As I told you, they are buying at this point in time because of this double bottom pattern. Hopefully, they will bring it back to the level of 9793, where I will look for opportunity to sell it. And the time in London now is 7 minutes past 7 p.m. In New York, 7 minutes past 2, okay, p.m. Talking about 7 p.m. in London, 2 p.m. in New York. Very often you will see that between 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. Is the quiet period, and the market will adjust itself. That's what we see here. So you will see a kind of reverse around 12 p.m. Eastern time. All right, that's a 5 p.m. London time. When London is closed, you see a kind of reversal taking place in the New York market. So this is what we are seeing now. So we are expecting it to go up back to this level. Hopefully, if you reach the level of 9793 and the trend line is broken, I will be happy, okay, to sell it, okay, and hold on to it until New York is closed. So we'll see whether it's going to come to this zone. And once you reach that level, okay, and the trend line is broken, okay, all right, I will sell it and let it run until New York is closed. I'll pause the video again and we will come back to it. I'm going to allow the video to go over the 20 minutes because I did not enter the trade so far, so I will let it run more than the 20 minutes as I was expecting. Okay, so speak to you soon. Okay, traders, the market is now closed, and the price finally went back to the 97.93. I did not sell it at this point in time. Tomorrow, there's a high chance that the stock will gap down. This will be a high frequency traders activity here, as we have seen yesterday at the close of the markets. Yesterday, they bought it, and now at the close of the market, they will sell it again. And we will see tomorrow whether it's going to gap down or not. But there's a high chance that it will gap down. We have a volume bar here. We will see there's activity here that will gap up or gap down. But today, not much was going on for this night because as you can see, this is a shallow session here. So I missed the opportunity to sell it here, and it went down. Okay, so I did not want to chase it, so I was expecting it to come back here. But the only time it came back here is at the end of the New York session. Ladies and gentlemen, as I explained to you before, for day trading purposes, we are using the trading drill. One must find a valid setup. In this case, as I explained to you yesterday, in a video that we call a Big Dog Day Trading Tips for the 25th of November 2014, we counted 5 waves here and the price at a target zone, and we are giving priority to sell signal below the $100 level for Nike stock for day trading purposes, concentrating on the short-term bearish signal. I hope you have learned something from the video also, and we put it to use to make excellent trading decisions. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Speak to you soon.